Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I have been receiving many questions and messages from people who are recovering from COVID or COVID-related symptoms. You see, people are getting sick, but not everyone is getting tested. Only people who have extreme breathing issues are being admitted to the hospitals because of the overwhelming number of sick people. This requires us all to be extra careful about our condition. Obviously, your first action should be to contact a doctor and possibly get tested. But if you can't, you need to know what you can possibly do to prevent yourself from deteriorating further. If you do the right things at the right time, you can get the infection under control. Many people have done it and they have recovered. Now, people who have recovered are experiencing extreme fatigue even after most of their symptoms have gone. You have to know that it will take some time for you to bounce back. That's normal. But there are things you can do to boost your energy levels and meanwhile strengthen your immune system. You need to do that not only to feel better, but also to protect yourself from a possible relapse. It is possible and it is happening. Take this seriously and take care of yourself. Continue to do what I have been suggesting. Saltwater gargling, steam inhalation, eating raw fruits and vegetables, vitamin C, D, and zinc, avoiding sugar and processed foods. These are all very important. I'm going to do a series of videos where I will share recipes with you. Recipes to help boost your energy post-COVID. They're delicious, simple, easy to prepare, and they are super energy boosters. If you take them daily for just a week, you will see a significant difference in your energy levels, in your recovery, in your mood, and just overall well-being. But don't discontinue using them just after you feel better. Continue to use them. It will speed up your recovery and it will strengthen your immune system and protect you from a possible relapse. Today, I want to share with you my dry fruit super booster recipe. You need dates, figs, apricots, raisins, prunes, a piece of ginger, some cinnamon, cloves, and if you want, star anise. Before I talk to you about what to do with them, I will share with you the benefits of each of these ingredients when it comes to energy and your immune system. Let's start with dates. Dates are highly nutritious. They are a rich source of vitamins and minerals as well as fiber and antioxidants. Dates contain vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B5, as well as vitamins A and C. This makes them great immune supporters. Daily consumption of dates can have a noticeable impact on your energy levels because dates contain natural sugars such as glucose, sucrose, and fructose as well. The next ingredient is figs. Figs are amazing. I'm not even going to focus on how they can help maintain your health and even contribute towards regulating chronic health conditions like cholesterol and blood pressure. I'm going to only focus on figs' ability to enhance your immune system and your energy levels. Figs are high in natural sugars, minerals, and soluble fiber. They contain potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and copper, and are a good source of antioxidants. This makes them great power boosters and also immune boosters. Next on my list is apricots. Apricots are delicious. They're packed with vitamins, fibers, and antioxidants. Apricots contain nutrients which encourage cell growth and are great for the immune system. They're a great source of energy for the body. Next ingredient is raisins, preferably green raisins, but any kind is okay. Raisins are packed with energy and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Raisins contain nutrients that boost the immune system and help fight off infections. The anti-inflammatory properties and the antibacterial properties of the dried fruit can potentially protect you from fevers, infections, and many other types of illnesses. Last on my list of fruits is prunes. You may know prunes as a treatment for constipation, but they are so much more than that. Prunes are rich in many nutrients, including manganese and iron, both of which are important in your body's ability to heal and protect itself from infections. It is also a great source of energy. All you have to do is take these dried fruits, remove the seeds, soak them in water overnight with some cinnamon, clove, and a piece of ginger. You can blend and drink or simply eat the fruits and drink the water. You've got yourself a natural energy drink with no artificial content and no chemicals. you will instantly feel elevated energy levels. You will feel fuller. You will feel better because of the great taste and the high nutritious content of the drink. And just a few days of regular use will improve your recovery, and you will begin to regain your strength. It's so easy to make. It's delicious. It's rich. You preferably want to leave it in the refrigerator overnight, but you can leave it covered in a cool place as well. It's not a problem. I would recommend drinking it at room temperature. You don't want to drink anything cold while you're recovering from a lung infection or COVID. This is the quantity I use, but you can modify it to suit your taste buds. Now, this is for one person. You can increase the quantity according to the family size. You can even make a big batch for 4 to 5 days and leave it in the refrigerator. It will last. Take only what you need daily and leave the rest. It won't go bad. The month of Ramadan is upon us. People are going to be fasting. This is a great drink to break your fast with. It will replenish your energy. It will hydrate you, give you a feeling of satiety, and also prevent you from overeating. I would love to hear from you about your experience with this drink. I will continue to share recipes of foods and drinks with you that are great energy boosters. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when the next video is available. Until then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.